Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing great in your respective lives. So this is the second video in our series of makeup. If you haven't seen my first video which is related to how to prep your face for makeup, so please go and check it out. So I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you because in this video I'm going to share how to do makeup step by step. So let's get started. So the first and the most important is to prep your face. I already explained how to prep your face in my previous video. If you don't know about that, please go and check. So after moisturizing, now I'm going to apply primer on my face. I usually prefer to apply the primer with my finger. As you can see, I already applied it. Now just rub it in a circular motion. Don't forget your neck. Primer is really important since it creates a safety layer on your skin, so when you apply makeup products, it doesn't harm you. So the next step is correct. As you can see, I have a dark circles, so I will apply a orange corrector for that. Since it's not that much, you can hide your dark spots with the color corrector as well. So for my dark circles, I'm going to use the orange corrector. If you have the heavy dark circles, then you can go with the brick color corrector. You should apply less quantity of product because if you apply already too much, that it's very hard to take it off. But if you apply less, then you can add it. So I'm going to apply this orange color corrector. I actually love to apply with my fingertip because finger gives a warmth to that product. As you can see, I'm taking very less product. So now eyes part is done. Now I'm going to cover the area around my nose and mouth. Little bit I'm going to apply on my forehead as well. So now you can see my correcting part is done. So let's move on the next step. So the next step is concealing your face. So for concealer, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline. As you can see, it comes with this sponge. Some people would like to apply directly with the help of this sponge, but I prefer to take it on my color palette. I will apply it with the help of the brush. Now I'm going to blend it. For blending, I'm using the sponge. I have put it in the water for a while, then I squeeze all the water. Now I'm going to blend with this. Since it's wet, so it will not absorb your product. Instead of dragging the product, dab it. As you can see, my eye area is completely done. I will conceal that part also. After that, I need to set it down with the translucent powder. So I'm using translucent powder from the brand Sugar. Although it looks white, but actually this is transparent. This is really important to set the concealer which you put it under your eye. You have to set all the area which you concealed. Now we will go for the eye makeup. For the eye makeup, which palette I am going to use, that is from the Beauty Glazed color board. For eye makeup, first I need to create the crease, and for the creasing I am going to use this color. So after creating crease, I am going to pick another color. So here I am going to use this pink shade. In eye makeup, blending is most important, so you should blend it properly. After applying that pink eyeshadow, now I need to highlight my eyeballs. For that I am using Huda Beauty color palette. Shade this. As you can see, it is looking really good. Now you need to blend it again. Now I am using this shimmery pink color to my inner corner because it will enhance my eyes. As you can see how beautiful it is looking. Now I am going to use the same pink color which I apply on my outer part to my lower lash line. After lower lash line, I have to highlight my eyebrow area. For highlighting, I am using the palette from Face Canada, which is the combo of 3 highlighter, blusher and contour. So now it's time to apply your foundation. The foundation which I am using, that is from Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless. That is shade 115. So now I'm going to apply my foundation. So after finishing your foundation, next step is contouring. For contouring, you should start from the starting of your ear till your cheekbone. Why you actually do contour? To give a shape to your face. So if you have a double chin, you have to contour that area also. If your forehead is broad like mine, so you have to contour it as well. You need to contour your nose area so it will look sharp. So as you can see, I already contour my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose area and my jawline. It's time to blend it, but make sure just blend it upwards, not downwards. For forehead also, you need to blend it upwards. As you can see, I blend my forehead, jawline perfectly. Now it's time to blend your nose. For that, I need to change my brush because it's very big. As you can see, my nose is looking really sharp. It's not like before. So as you can see, my contouring is done. Now it's time to move on the next step, and that is highlighting your key points. So for highlighting, we use concealer. Your concealer should be lighter than your skin tone. So here I'm using the highlighter from Maybelline New York Fit Me 07 Vanilla. Now I'm going to highlight those parts of my face which I want to enhance. As you can see, I already applied concealer to my highlighting points. Now it's time to blend it. I need to highlight my nose area also. After doing all my makeup, only blush is left, but before that I have to lock my makeup with the translucent powder. So the next step is blush. So for blushing, I'm using the same palette of Face Canada. After blushing, I need to highlight the area like my cheekbone, my cupid, and the center of my forehead. As you can see, highlighting is done. Now we will move on the next step. Now it's time to apply lashes and eyeliner. For that I'm using magnetic eyeliner eyelash. As you can see, it's very easy to apply. Now you need to match these eyelashes with your natural eyelashes, so that for that you need to use mascara. Now I'm going to use mascara, and that is from Color Bar. The last step is lipstick. For that I'm using Smashbox Role Model. But before that I will apply a lip pencil, that is from Color Essence. If you follow these simple steps, so you can learn basic makeup at home. It's that much easy. You don't need to buy the exact products which I used in this video. You can buy similar products which is pocket friendly for you. You don't need to buy expensive products to look good. Instead of buying the copy of branded products, you can buy a good quality drugstore products as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, any query, please comment in the below section. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.